Hey everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and today we're doing another Cajun fusion recipe, but this one's an Italian Cajun fusion recipe. I don't know if you hear that those sounds out there. There's someone mowing the grass outside, and there's also my Keurig going because I haven't had enough coffee today. So here's what we have. We're gonna make like a Cajun spin on Zuppa Toscana, which is that soup that's very popular at Olive Garden that has potatoes and cream and bacon and Italian sausage and kale. So one thing we're going to add is I am Cajun. I have to put onions and bell pepper and everything I cook. So there you go. We've got one small russet potato because I am going to use some cauliflower also. Make it a little healthier. It's going to be really good. I have some mustard greens instead of kale. So mustard greens, see how curly it is? I mean, it looks like kale. So we're gonna try this out and see if it comes out good because I think it'll be really delicious in there. I'm probably not gonna use this entire bunch. This was a whole bunch that you find in the store in Louisiana. So of course you can use any other greens. What I wouldn't do unless you're desperate is use frozen. Fresh is really much better. You pop them in, kind of, don't let them cook that long, and then you eat it while they still have a little body to the greens. So here's what else I have. This is turkey Italian sausage. Again, trying to lighten it up. I cut a slit in here so it'll be easy to get it out of the casing. I have a little bit of smoked sausage. This is probably half a cup of chopped smoked sausage. And I have about 6 cloves of chopped garlic, about 6 cups of water, olive oil, some red pepper flakes for heat. You could use a little, I would start with a pinch of cayenne pepper because you've got seasonings in the sausage and in the both kinds of sausage. And you know, do that salt and pepper to taste. So I also have some Cajun seasoning, which, so this salt and pepper, after I put this in there, then I'll see if I need any of that. So I'm gonna bring all this to the stove and we'll get started.